What is up, YouTube? You've got Papa G here, and we are back this week with another video of beautiful classic cars. We have 26 in all this week. You're gonna love every single one of them. We've listened to your comments over and over. The prices are too darn high. So in this video, we're bringing you 26 beautiful classic vehicles, all for under $30,000. So sit back, get you some popcorn, and check out these beautiful rides as we show them all to you. 26 cars in 26 minutes. All for under 30 grand, so pick you a couple out. Hey Rooster, give them all the details.
I sure will, Papa G. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like one of the cars, the links are in the description below.
That's right, Rooster. Now let's start the show. Come on, let's go! Our very first car this week is a 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS from Hiram, Georgia for $19,995. And number 2 this week is a 1967 Dodge Charger Coupe from Rocky Mount, Virginia for $19,500. And number 3 this week, we have a 1971 Chevrolet El Camino from Bourne, Texas for $14,000. At number 4 this week, we have a 1970 Chevrolet Nova from Milton, West Virginia for $28,000. And number 5 this week is a 1966 Pontiac Le Mans convertible from Montgomery, Ohio for $27,500. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And car number 6 is a 1980 Chevrolet Malibu from Nashville, Illinois for $18,900. Car number 7 is a 1974 Chevrolet Camaro from Spanaway, Washington for $15,000. And car number 8 is a 1969 Ford Torino GT from Rocky Mount, West Virginia for $9,500. And car number 9, the 1931 Ford Model A Custom Chop Top from Richmond, Kentucky for $24,000. Number 10 this week is a 1981 Ford F100 from Buckhead, Georgia for $8,500. Coming in at number 11 this week is a 1965 Chevrolet C10 from Miami, Florida for $22,900. And number 12 this week is a 1996 Ford Mustang from Knoxville, Tennessee for $29,995. Hey y'all, this is Papa G. Always remember, if you like one of these cars, the link is in the description below. Click on it and go check it out for yourself. This week at number 13, we have a 1969 Ford Mustang Deluxe Coupe 2-door from Shreveport, Louisiana for $19,500. Number 14 this week is a 1983 Pontiac Trans Am from Knoxville, Tennessee for $27,999.
I wasn't in with the in crowd, just a number in a small town. You know that hip popularity list? Well, I was like way down. Didn't dress too impressive, didn't know to address it. And ain't much had changed since those high school days till you walked in. And baby, when you fell for me, I was like a new guy on the scene. 'Cause with you on my arm, it's like I'm strutting down the halls like a baller. Everybody's gonna stare, so I'm standing up a little bit taller. You with that double take kind of face star of the show, letting all the people know it doesn't matter who I was, what I've been, 'cause it all just flipped. Girl, with you, I'm
The next classic is a 1972 Dodge Dart Swinger from Huntington Park, California for $7,900.
Way too pretty, little southern, little city. It's all the girls jealous, turns on the fellas, but it's you and me getting kind of frisky. I ain't trying to rub it in, but it's hard to hide a jackpot win. 'Cause with you on my arm, it's like I'm strutting down the halls like a baller. Everybody's gonna stare, so I'm standing up a little bit taller. You with that double take, kind of face star of the show, letting all the people know it doesn't matter who I was, what I've been, 'cause it all just flipped. Girl, with you, I'm one of the cool kids.
And up next, I have a 1963 Chevrolet Impala from Indianapolis, Indiana for $25,000.
You can tell, but I've been hearing wedding bells. 'Cause with you on my arm, it's like I'm strutting down the halls like a baller. Everybody's gonna stare, so I'm standing up a little bit taller. You with that double take, kind of face star of the show, letting all the people know it doesn't matter who I was, what I've been, 'cause it all just flipped. Girl, with you, I'm one of the cool kids. Girl, with you, I'm one of the cool.
Like, comment, and subscribe. It don't cost you a thing.
I'm one of the cool kids.
This next classic is a 1969 Chevrolet Classic El Camino from West Valley City, Utah for $10,000. And up next, I have a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro from Pell City, Alabama for $7,200. Up next, I have a 1964 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck from Sawyer, Michigan for $28,500. And at number 19, we have a 1989 Chevrolet Blazer from Bristol, Tennessee for $26,000. Coming in at number 20 this week, we have a 1967 Ford Fairlane 500 from Athens, Tennessee for $29,500.
the beach.
Number 21 this week is a 1990 Chevrolet Corvette from Hopedale, Maine for $16,500.
Cowabunga.
Car number 22 is a 1970 Ford Mustang from Saanich, British Columbia, Canada for $15,000. My next classic is a 1965 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck from Menifee, California for $17,500. This next one is a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle from El Paso, Texas for $13,000. Up next, I got a 1953 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck from Kentucky for $24,500.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Come on, let's go!